I'm going to show you how to change your IP address in Windows 10 or 11. Click on Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then click on Network and Internet. Go to Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active network connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then choose Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now, open Command Prompt. Type CMD in Start and open it. Type ipconfig and hit Enter. Note down your default gateway and subnet mask. Use that information to fill in your new IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. You can test the connection by typing ping 192.168.1.66 in CMD. If it works, great. If not, try a different IP address. Close everything and you're done.